Imagine opening a textbook and actually understanding it the first time. Imagine sitting in an exam hall, calm, focused, and completely in control. Imagine learning the hardest subject in your school faster than everyone else. Sounds impossible? It's not, because the students who master difficult subjects are not always the smartest. They simply understand something most students never learn. And once you understand it too, difficult subjects will never feel the same again. Let's be honest. Every student has that one subject, the one that feels confusing no matter how long you study, the one that makes your brain feel slow, the one that drains your confidence before you even start. Math, physics, chemistry, accounting, programming. In this video, I will share the powerful methods to easily learn difficult subjects, backed by science. You sit down to study, and after 1 hour, you feel stuck. After 2 hours, you feel tired. After 3 hours, you feel defeated. Meanwhile, someone else seems to understand everything faster than you. They don't panic, they don't struggle as much, they don't spend all night studying, yet they perform better. Why? What do they know that you don't? Here's the truth most schools never teach you. Learning difficult subjects is not about effort. It's about how your brain builds understanding. And once you learn how that works, everything changes. Most students try to learn difficult subjects by doing one thing. They try to absorb information. They read, they highlight, they watch explanations, they listen carefully. But understanding does not come from absorbing information. It comes from building mental connections. Your brain does not learn deeply when information feels easy. It learns when it has to struggle, organize, test, and reconstruct ideas. In other words, difficulty is not a sign you can't learn. Difficulty is the process of learning. The students who learn fastest don't avoid confusion, they use it. Think about how muscles grow. When you lift something heavy, your muscles struggle. Tiny fibers break. Then they rebuild stronger. Learning works the same way. When your brain struggles to solve a hard problem, when it feels uncomfortable, when you're unsure, that is the exact moment your brain is changing. But most students misinterpret that feeling. They think, this is too hard. I don't get it. I'm not smart enough. So they escape the discomfort. They reread easier material. They look at solutions too quickly. They avoid challenging problems. And without realizing it, they stop their brain from growing. The fastest learners do the opposite. They run toward difficulty. They expect confusion. They welcome mistakes. They stay with problems longer than feels comfortable, not because they enjoy struggling, but because they understand something powerful. The speed of your learning depends on how long you stay engaged with difficulty. The longer your brain wrestles with a concept, the deeper the understanding becomes. But there is another secret. Fast learners don't just struggle randomly. They struggle intelligently. When they study something difficult, they constantly ask 3 simple questions. 1. Can I explain this in my own words? 2. Can I solve a problem without looking at help? 3. Can I connect this idea to something I already understand? If the answer is no, they don't move on. They pause, they think, they test again, because they know recognition is not mastery. True learning means you can use knowledge, not just see it. There's also something else that separates fast learners from everyone else. They don't try to understand everything in one sitting. Your brain is not designed to absorb complex information all at once. Understanding grows in layers. Each time you revisit a difficult idea, it becomes clearer. Each time you practice again, connections strengthen. Each time you return, confusion fades. What feels impossible today feels manageable tomorrow, and obvious next week. Learning is not a moment. It is a process of repeated exposure. Now here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Stop asking, why is this subject so hard? Start asking, how can I make my brain stronger at handling hard things? Because difficult subjects are not obstacles, they are training grounds. Every challenging concept you face is an opportunity to expand how you think. And when your thinking expands, speed follows naturally. Confidence follows automatically. Mastery becomes inevitable. Look closely at the students who learn faster than everyone else. They are not rushing. They are not panicking. They are not trying to prove they're smart. They are simply training their brain every single day to handle complexity. Calmly, consistently, patiently. That is their advantage, and it can be yours too. So the next time you sit down to study something difficult, don't measure how fast you understand it. Measure how long you stay engaged with it. Stay curious, stay patient, stay in the struggle a little longer than others, because that extra time inside difficulty is where faster learning is born. Remember this. Hard subjects don't require special talent. They require trained thinking. They don't demand more intelligence. They demand better learning behavior. And when you train your brain the right way, you don't just understand difficult subjects. You begin to master complexity itself. And once that happens, no subject feels impossible again. You don't just keep up with other students. You move ahead, steadily, quietly, powerfully, and faster than you ever thought you could.